Now I'm going to talk about Stafford County just a little bit here. Lived in a number of different places, and I do like Stafford because there's a lot of military folks here, and there is a tremendous amount of good living with the people because they restrain themselves. They're just wonderful people around here. Crazy about them. I'm not crazy about Eddie's. I'm not crazy about courthouse apartments over there, Ultras apartments. You and I, we're going back to court. That's going. You're in a world of hurt. What's coming up this year in 2016? And I would give 50 cents for the dog feces and the secondhand smoke and the filth and the stink over there at Point at Stafford. I mean, anybody who in their right mind wants to rent that place? It's just ridiculous. But the real problem is, when you deal with the courts here in Stafford County, they need to clean that place out, because you take, for example, on the tax issue that I bring up in one of my videos about, I subpoenaed someone from the Virginia Department of Taxation in December of 2014, and the Stafford County court did not serve the subpoena. And they don't have any explanation for why they didn't serve the subpoena, because I've been to the circuit court, I've been to the district court, I've been over to the police office, and nobody will explain it. And they say they will explain it, and then they don't. And they're all, the clerks in there are liars. There's only one clerk I would give 50 cents for, but Megan, in particular, is a horrible liar. They should fire her on the spot. Her attitude, man, she is mean-spirited. But the lying is inexcusable. I was supposed to have this person as a witness from the state. He was my witness, and they don't serve the subpoena, and no explanation. Second is that I witnessed Bob Harris and Charles Foley, the judge, engage in ex parte communication after my trial against what at the time was a courthouse Venator case. I saw that just there to throw the case, and it was successful. I also saw Bob Harris file an unlawful detainer right before the case in order to usurp the authority of the court. And nobody notices what's going on. They're just too stupid. I have been in court for another case where they don't even know that when you have a health issue in the county of Stafford, Virginia, that there are no laws and there's no enforcement and there is no inspector to go around, and that the Board of Supervisors refuses to write the laws and to hire an inspector to do this. Jack Cavalier knows this. He said 10 years ago that they had a discussion about this, and all the property owners came in of the apartments, and they made a huge fuss about it, and they refused to take action. A bunch of cowards, a bunch of crooks who stand around and want to spend money or talk big about, oh, we're going to build the George Washington Village, and we're going to generate $1 billion in revenues over 10 years and develop 10,000 jobs. Oh, it's a load of crap. You people are so stupid. You got blank patches all over this county here where you let people tear down trees and they didn't do anything. Business parks, shopping malls. We're going to build houses, we're going to build apartments. We're going to put up a little something over here. Trees knocked down left and right for no reason. Dead property because you people are so stupid on the Board of Supervisors at the Stafford County. And you're crooked. Because I've sent you that information with the DVDs and showing you exactly what happened over at the Venator case with the hole in the wall, the sewage gas, all the information, and you refused to contact me. And now I'm living in a hotel because of your crookedness, because you refused to do right. Over in Arlington County, up here in Northern Virginia, they have a property inspector who stops the slumlords. They have laws in place. They go around. They don't have a building inspector. They have a property inspector who comes around and takes care of that. Oh yeah, they have a building inspector for the other stuff, for construction, but that doesn't apply here. They enforce health regulations up there. You don't. Because you'd rather take money and take influence from a bunch of little property owners around here who are slumlord in the place and screw up the county instead of doing what's right. And you can't tell me it's not money, that it's about money. It's just one person you need to go around and do the inspections. It's just one. But I have no recourse. And the courts think that there are laws on the book. They're so stupid in Stafford County that they think that there are regulations on the books in Stafford County that you have relief for these things. There is none, you idiots. All of you at the courts over there, district and circuit, you are stupid on this matter. You don't bother to get your facts straight. You don't bother to train yourselves or know even your own county's laws. You don't even know what's going on. You go to the health department, right there at the courthouse. You go to the one down by the jail. You talk to the fire department. You talk to the building inspector. You have them come to your apartment. Pointless. You haven't even talked to the Black Point, building inspector right there in the building next to you. Not even called him in for a conference to get your facts straight. You're so stupid about these matters. It's inexcusable. It's misconduct is what it is on your part because of your incompetence. And so I sit here and suffer for this because you all in the board don't do your job in this county. Just pathetic. It's really a disgrace. It should clear all of you people out. You're just in there, you come in the board meetings and everybody's wearing their suits and phony baloney. I feel like I'm at a 1980s U.Va frat party or something with everybody wearing a necktie and putting on airs. Or maybe down in Montrose with a debutante's party for a girl turning of age. Kind of crap like we're back in England or something. Phony balonies, you people. You're not, you put up signs, oh, we have 40,000 jobs in Stafford County. It's a waste of time. Look what you did with the airport. All this land and planning, and then you had to sell the land. I saw that I saw the rezoning and everything, and everything goes on. Yes, just like down on 17 with that land over there. You let people build all this stuff, and somebody from New York wants to buy it for some fire sale price, and the judge refuses. Yeah. You don't know what you're doing. You're on the board of supervisors. You're a joke. Yet again, like I say on the other videos, I'm not backing off. That's going to come out. You all are going to clean that mess up, and you're going to make right what you did to me. And by the way, one last thing, and you at the sheriff's department too, you think you can let your deputies interfere in a contract? No way. That's not finished. And you think you can hold me back from getting an IAD report because you want to let Deputy Merville go sideways on this? I sat in that chair and I said, whomever made a hole in my apartment wall and left it for 4 months is a clown. That's what I said. That's not a criminal offense. That is not a threat. But yet you let your deputies get involved in my civil problem on a contract and then write a no trespass order to me. You think you can pull that? You think you can go ahead and work with courthouse apartments to use the police department as their personal thugs to push me around on a contract breach? Oh, you bunch of crooks. And you, the sheriff, think you can just keep on tamping down, and it all doesn't matter? Y'all all can just send me letters and say, oh, you don't have to respond to my FOIA? I read the statutes. I quoted them. I know what you people are up to. It's all cover-up. You won't do your job, and you won't manage this county properly, so I'm living in a hotel because of what you do to me. More videos coming. Good luck to you.